In the magical land of Candy Lane, Sparkle the unicorn begins her quest to uncover the secret of how the rainbow got its colors. Sparkle overhears Whiskers and Poppy discussing the animal's role in giving colors to the rainbow. Eager to learn more, Sparkle tiptoes to each animal in the enchanted forest, unaware of the chaos she's about to cause. The animals wake up, annoyed by Sparkle's unintentional disturbance, and refuse to share their stories. Surrounded by silence, Sparkle's spirits are crushed as she realizes the animals won't share their stories. Harmony, seeing Sparkle's sadness, approaches with a plan to earn the animals' trust. Sparkle and Harmony work together to organize a grand celebration, showcasing the talents and colors of the animals. The animals come together, displaying their individual talents and vibrant colors, teaching everyone about the beauty of friendship and diversity. As the sun sets, Sparkle realizes that the rainbow's colors symbolize unity and acceptance, a gift from the animals she now understands. United and filled with newfound wisdom, the animals and Sparkle revel in the magic of acceptance and togetherness. Sparkle, now understanding the power of friendship and diversity, knows that the rainbow will continue to shine brightly, reminding everyone of the magic they discovered. With hearts full of joy and gratitude, Sparkle and the animals part ways, carrying the memories of their enchanting journey in their hearts.